Welcome to the top best. The Best Max T shaver is probably one of the most sought-after grooming tools on the market, and for good reason. It promises a close, comfortable shave with advanced features designed to tackle even the toughest stubble, making it a compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade their daily routine. But does it live up to the hype, and is it the right choice for your specific needs and preferences? We're diving deep to find out. Number 5. MANSCAPED the Handyman Compact Face Shaver. Meet the Handyman, your new go-to for effortless grooming. This compact shaver is designed for ultimate portability and convenience. Never compromise on your look, even on the go. Its travel-friendly design ensures you stay sharp wherever life takes you. Stay powered up with easy USB-C charging. A quick charge provides the power you need for a smooth shave, anytime, anywhere. Experience a close and comfortable shave thanks to its dual-action skin-safe foil blades. It's engineered to protect your skin while effectively trimming. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation and easy cleanup. It's completely waterproof, making it perfect for use in or out of the shower. This electric foil shaver is the essential tool for maintaining your facial hair. It delivers a clean, precise trim with every use. What we like. This compact shaver is perfect for on-the-go grooming. Its USB-C charging makes it convenient for travel. If you're a frequent traveler or need a quick touch-up away from home, this is the ideal choice for maintaining a clean look effortlessly. What people say. The Max T shaver features a powerful motor that provides a close and comfortable shave. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in the hand, making it easy to maneuver. The shaver includes multiple attachments for different grooming needs, such as a nose trimmer and precision trimmer. Number 4. Max T Electric Razor for Men. Introducing the Max T Electric Razor, designed for a smooth and comfortable shave. Experience the convenience of a close shave, whether wet or dry. Its advanced 4D rotary head adapts to your facial contours, ensuring no hair is missed. Enjoy a precise and efficient shave every time. This shaver is IPX7 waterproof, making it perfect for use in the shower or with your favorite shaving cream. Cleanup is also a breeze. Easily groom your sideburns and beard with the built-in pop-up trimmer. Achieve your desired look with added versatility. Featuring a modern Type-C port, it offers fast and convenient charging. Plus, enjoy plug-and-play functionality for uninterrupted grooming. The rechargeable battery ensures you have power whenever you need it. Perfect for home use or travel, it's always ready for action. What we like. Experience a close and comfortable shave with its advanced 4D rotary system. It offers the flexibility of wet or dry use, adapting to your preference. If you enjoy a versatile shaving experience and need precise detailing for sideburns or mustaches, this electric razor is a great option. What people say. The Max T shaver is a game-changer for my grooming routine. It delivers a close and comfortable shave every time, leaving my skin feeling smooth and irritation-free. I'm impressed with the design of the Max T shaver. It's sleek, ergonomic, and fits perfectly in my hand, making it easy to maneuver around tricky areas. The battery life on the Max T shaver is outstanding. It holds a charge for a long time, so I can get multiple shaves before needing to recharge. Number 3. Max T Original Rotary Shaver Replacement Head. Is your current shaver head not giving you the close shave you deserve? It might be time for a replacement. This is a 100% original replacement head, ensuring the same quality and performance as your original. Specifically designed for Max T rotary shavers, it guarantees a perfect fit and optimal functionality. Enjoy a smoother, closer shave with this genuine replacement part. It's engineered for precision and comfort. Replacing your shaver head is simple and quick. Get back to a superior shaving experience in no time. Keep your Max T shaver performing at its best. Regular replacement ensures consistent results and protects your skin. What we like. Keep your shaver performing at its best with this original replacement head. It ensures optimal cutting efficiency and longevity for your device. If you've had your shaver for a while and notice a decrease in performance, replacing the head is a simple solution to restore that perfect shave. What people say. The Max-T shaver features a powerful motor for efficient hair removal. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during use. The shaver includes multiple interchangeable heads for different grooming needs. Number 2. IWEEL Professional Beard Trimmer. Introducing the IWEEL Professional Beard Trimmer, designed for the modern man. Achieve a clean, precise look with ease. Experience unparalleled closeness with its zero-gap T-blade. It effortlessly cuts through hair for a sharp, defined edge. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. This trimmer is rechargeable, ensuring it's always ready when you are. This versatile grooming kit is perfect for beards, mustaches, and body hair. It's the only tool you'll need for a complete grooming experience. Get salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Elevate your grooming routine with this professional-grade trimmer. What we like. Achieve sharp, clean lines with its professional zero-gap T-blade. This trimmer is designed for precision detailing and intricate styling. If you're looking for detailed beard and mustache shaping or clean edge-ups, this grooming kit offers the control and accuracy you need. What people say. The Max-T shaver has a sleek, ergonomic design that fits comfortably in the hand. Its advanced motor provides a smooth and efficient shave, even on thicker hair. The shaver features a long-lasting battery, offering up to 60 minutes of cordless use on a single charge. Number 1. SweetLF Electric Razor for Men. Introducing the SweetLF Electric Razor for Men. Designed for ultimate comfort and a close shave, it's perfect for your daily grooming routine. Enjoy the flexibility of shaving in the shower or cleaning it under running water. Its 100% waterproof design makes maintenance effortless. With its Type-C rechargeable battery, you get a quick and convenient power-up. Say goodbye to disposable batteries and hello to modern charging. Whether you prefer a quick dry shave or a refreshing wet shave with foam or gel, this razor adapts to your needs. Achieve a smooth finish either way. Achieve perfect detailing with the integrated pop-up trimmer. It's ideal for shaping sideburns and beards with precision and ease. Use it cordless for maximum freedom of movement, or plug it in for continuous power. It offers both corded and cordless options to suit your preference. Elegantly designed in a sophisticated navy blue, this razor not only performs exceptionally but also looks great in your bathroom. What we like. Enjoy complete freedom with its 100% waterproof design, allowing for easy cleaning and versatile use. It offers both corded and cordless operation for uninterrupted grooming. If you prefer the option to shave in the shower or need a reliable shaver that can adapt to your routine, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Max-T shaver has a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in hand. It features multiple interchangeable heads for different grooming needs, including a precision trimmer and a foil shaver. The battery life is impressive, providing up to 60 minutes of cordless use on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.